Now it's time for an ASL mini lesson. 1 second. Today I will teach you. For yes/no questions, you must raise your eyebrows for the entirety of the question. That's ASL grammar. I'll give you an example. Do you see this word? Do. You don't have to sign this. The word do is already incorporated in the raised eyebrows. I'll show you how to sign this. You like cats? Did you see my eyebrows raised for the whole sentence? That indicates it's a question. If I didn't raise my eyebrows, I'll show you. You like cats. You could get confused. Are you telling me or asking me? Are you saying you like cats? It's confusing. We raise our eyebrows to clearly show a question. Here's another example. This weekend, I plan to go to the beach. Do you want to join? See how the whole last sentence my eyebrows were up? I am clearly showing it is a yes or no question. If you have more questions, comment them below.